Hey Bob, Jordan here with another content strategy tactic that you can use in Perplexity as well in ChatGPT has something very similar. So what I did here was do a deep research query for what are the best pool table brands, and Perplexity did a nice job coming out with a nice little report about the various brands and so on and so forth. We don't need to go through all that, but what I wanted to really show you is the section here called steps. And when you click on it, it's going to tell you all the various steps and how it got to its answer. And as SEOs, as marketers, the important part is looking out for some of these extended searches that it's done. It's first of all taking my initial query over here, what are the best pool table brands, and sort of expanding on that, looking at some, you know, similar terms or variations on the same thing, and coming up with some sources here. You've got a number of sources right off the top there. And then based on that, it's able to come through with some different brands and now doing a little bit further search into some of those brands that it has already out about. And continuing along is doing that as well. You can see it's doing some more brand searches, and now it's starting to think a little bit about, hey, what are the different variables that somebody might care about if they're looking for a pool table brand. And so it's, what it's really trying to do is simplify your search journey. Okay. Whether it is, Google AI mode or ChatGPT or Perplexity, one of the big things that these companies are trying to do is make it simpler and easier for you to get to that answer, get to the thing that you need to know at the end of the day. And this is very obvious in some of the most recent patents that Google has put out. And so what I want you to do as an SEO, as a marketer, as a search marketer, is to really understand who your customers are and what they're looking for and go out and answer those things. There's going to be specific ways that you're going to add those answers to your website, and certainly I'll get to those within time and help you out with that. But the main thing is start with figuring out what your customers want, what they need from you, and go and answer that. Okay? Hope this helps. Cheers, guys. Bye.